Have you ever stared up at the Milky Way and dreamt of blasting off into the cosmos? Maybe you've devoured sci-fi novels or binged space documentaries, captivated by the vast unknown. Well, those dreams might not be as far-fetched as they once seemed. Commercial spaceflight is no longer the realm of science fiction. Companies like Virgin Galactic and Blue Origin are offering suborbital flights, giving regular folks a taste of weightlessness and that coveted astronaut view of Earth. But with this exciting new frontier comes a hefty price tag. So, how much does a spaceship ride actually cost? The high price of a heavenly view. Let's get down to brass tacks. Current prices for suborbital spaceflights can range anywhere from $200,000 to $450,000 per person. That's a cool quarter to $500,000 for a trip that lasts just minutes to a few hours. Here's a breakdown of some leading contenders. Virgin Galactic, their Spaceship Two program offers a roughly 90-minute experience, including a few minutes of weightlessness. The latest estimates put tickets around the $450,000 mark. Blue Origin, the New Shepard capsule boasts a similar experience with about 3 to 4 minutes of weightlessness. While Blue Origin hasn't publicly announced ticket prices, some reports suggest they might fall in the $200,000 to $300,000 range. Breaking down the costs. So, what exactly are you paying for with these astronomical prices? A large chunk goes towards the development, testing, and ongoing maintenance of these complex spacecraft. The cost of launching these vehicles is no small feat either. The specialized fuels and powerful engines required for spaceflight come at a premium. Safety is also paramount. These companies invest heavily in ensuring a smooth and secure experience for their passengers. Highly trained staff, rigorous testing procedures, and cutting-edge technology all contribute to the hefty price tag. Beyond the ticket price. But wait, there's more. The base ticket price might just be the tip of the iceberg. Some companies may offer additional packages that include pre-flight training or special experiences. There might also be hidden costs like travel to the launch site or astronaut-themed merchandise you just can't resist. Is spaceflight a luxury or an investment? For some, the exorbitant cost of spaceflight might seem like an extravagant luxury. But for others, it could be an investment in a once-in-a-lifetime experience, a chance to push boundaries and fulfill a lifelong dream. There's also the potential for space tourism to become more affordable in the future as technology advances and the industry matures. The future of space tourism. The space tourism industry is still in its infancy, but it's a rapidly growing market with exciting possibilities on the horizon. Companies are working on developing reusable launch vehicles and even longer-duration space flights. This could eventually lead to more affordable options and even space hotels, opening the cosmos to a wider range of space enthusiasts. So, how much does a spaceship take? As of today, a spaceship ride will set you back a pretty penny. But with the industry evolving rapidly, the future of space tourism could be more accessible than ever before. Who knows, maybe one day a trip to space won't be just for the ultra-wealthy, but for anyone with a thirst for adventure and a starry-eyed dream. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.